10:15. We're just now leaving Durango. We gassed up, and it is 50 miles from here to Silverton. So the next stop will be Silverton. Maybe we can get some lunch there. We'll see. This is where you say expectations versus reality. This is about 10 to 15 miles away from Silverton, and there's a nice restroom. I wouldn't say it's nice, but there is a place you can use the restroom. And actually today is pretty packed since it's Labor Day weekend. My doggy, come in here. Yes, thank you. What a nice place. Whoops. How's that for lunchtime views? Pretty beautiful. Look at all the doggies here. Doggies there and doggies there. And doggies right here. So, this place gets a 2 thumbs up so far. Handlebars. Lunch with a view. I'm gonna get a good beer. They allow the dogs. It's beautiful out here today. Cheers. This one, you know, it's vacation. All right, that is a massive chef salad. What did you get, Brian? Brian, what did you get? Okay, he's not talking to me. Oh, okay, great.
I got a chicken with mushroom Swiss.
Ooh, I got a crispy chicken sandwich with a salad. So I'm just gonna say that this lunch was fantastic. The service was great. Wonderful patio in the shade, amazing views, good food. I had the crispy chicken sandwich and it was delicious. So I recommend this place. Really awesome place to eat lunch here in Silverton. When I leave, I'm gonna do a little, show you what it looks like inside. It's really cool. Bye. All right. It's an awesome place here. That was a great lunch, and after lunch, me and my husband always get coffee. We have to have the after lunch coffee. So here we got a place called Coffee Bear. Brian's gonna go in and get something. Oh, how cool is this? Snowboards. After lunch caffeine is our thing, especially coffee. I don't know, I've just gotten in that habit since I started working for a living, and it's really hard to give it up. So I'm gonna try some sort of a latte with a little light on the sugar. All right, we're done with lunch in Silverton, and now we're headed on the $1 Million Highway. It's the stretch of highway between Silverton and Uray. I've never been on it. It sounds amazing. And so I'm gonna take you along with us. Enjoy the ride. That's where we went to lunch. That's where we got coffee.
Geneva. Hip hip.
Uray!
Hip hip.
Uray! Hip hip! Uray!
Hold on.
550.
This sign up here says hip hip. Look, hip hip.
This is absolutely stunning. This was old mining district back in the 1800s, and the views are spectacular. Show me the money right here, the Yankee mine, the Yankee Girl mine. Down to one lane. Here we are, beautiful Uray down below. Welcome to Uray. We've made it to Uray, and after the beer and coffee of Silverton, we had to find a restroom. So first priority of business, we found the visitor center in Uray. It's just past this giant community center with hot springs and pool. We're not going to be doing that today, but we are going to go to two waterfalls. There's the Cascade Falls and there's Box Canyon. So after we take a restroom break, we're going to hit up the falls. And so far, what I've seen of this town, absolutely adorable, amazing. This is definitely a place that I would come back as a destination and just stay here. Especially, man, like early October is probably just stunning. It looks like the coolest little place. So we just got the afternoon, and it's actually pretty dang hot. It's Labor Day weekend, as I've mentioned, so it's I bet it's near 90, but so adorable. So this is a little community park here by the hot springs, and I just want you to see the beauty. Gazebo there. This is the restroom. This is where we always got to visit the restroom. And just look at these views. Here, just look at this. Spectacular. This is one of the attractions, is this hot springs pool. I'm going to take a peek here. Okay, at the end of 8th Street, this steep hill behind me is a path to Cascade Falls. I believe there's several waterfalls on this trail. Let's see here. Never been on it before, so we're going to take a look. The trail is steep, and if you're not used to elevation, which apparently I'm not, I am panting. And I live at 5,000 feet, so I can imagine if anybody lives at sea level, this will be a little rough. It's a steep hill. I'm embarrassingly out of breath. So we passed the first viewpoint, and my husband is still going up and up and up. So I will get some video of the viewpoint on the way back down. I'm a slight bit underwhelmed. I'm thinking because it's fall and the snow melt has already melted, there's not a ton of water on this waterfall, so I'd imagine in the spring it's a lot more water. But it's pretty. It's very, very tall, and it's a pretty steep walk to get up here. There's some people way up in the hills, way up there, enjoying the water. I think we're gonna stay right where we're at. Looks good. So I'm pretty worn out. It's been a long day. We're headed to Montrose. That we're gonna stay the night in Montrose and then make our way to Black Canyon of the Gunnison tomorrow. So we are all tired. So I don't expect much video action here in the next few minutes. We're gonna be finding our hotel, checking in, and resting a little bit before dinner time. But that's gonna be mostly the end of our traveling today. We're early birds. We're gonna go back and rest, but tomorrow we'll be hitting up the national park.